There were some interesting announcements for the legal services sector this year. Possibly the most interesting is a new initiative announced by the Gillard government, which comes off the back of a $4 million injection into legal aid and community legal centres, especially for regional areas. Under the Strategic Framework for Access to Justice, legal aid and community legal centres in regional areas will be asked to develop online initiatives to improve access to justice. This will be facilitated through the National Broadband Network, and according to the government, legal aid and regional legal services are well placed to develop online programs for regional inhabitants who will be able to access greater legal information and legal advice, thus avoiding costly litigation. The government also announced a significant funding boost for human rights, with an additional $2.9 million over 4 years allocated to the Australian Human Rights Commission. $1.6 million of this will, over 4 years, be used to restore the standalone positions of the Race and Disability Discrimination Commissioners, and extra funding will also be allocated to the establishment of a dedicated Age Discrimination Commissioner. There was also good news for the High Court of Australia, with the government committing to $6.1 million over 4 years to the High Court. These funds will primarily go towards maintaining the registry services and circuits in all capital cities across Australia. The funding, however, did come at the expense to family law and also the International Criminal Court, with the government pledging to save $8.1 million over 4 years by withdrawing funding for both the ICC and family law programs under the Family Law Act.